Alright, good morning, Farmhouse friends. This morning we're out here early because we're trying to fix a spot where the goats are getting out. We haven't let them out here in the past couple days because they've been busting out. So we're going to try to get this fixed so we can let them back out again. And it's just me and the girlies this morning because Mommy's at a doctor's appointment for our new little one. So we're going to go ahead and try to fix this fence. Alright, so I'm going to take these two boards off. And then we'll move them over there. Yep. So right here, along this bottom, and right here is where they're busting out. They're just pushing out the wire there and squeezing through trying to get to this grass. So we might go ahead and move this gate back to here and let them mow all this down too. Yeah, we'll see if we can do that. Sod is not painted up the way it's easy to paint. How's that? That'll stop them. All right. Oh, that'll work. Well, no. We're gonna.
Maybe you could scooch him up.
Yeah, we're going to scooch it up some. I was trying to make it to where you could open up that door. Not till I get this fence done on the rest of that back.
That will work. Before they're not going to have any spare anymore.
But how will we get the hay out?
All the hay's for the boy stuff.
Huh?
There we go.
Think that'll work? Okay, now they can mow down all of this here, which is overgrown because they've done quite a job on the bank. Of course, believe it or not, most of this on the bank is from the turkeys.
Yeah, Bob, that's a great.
Which we're going to be butchering them real soon.
Hey, Daddy.
Yours.
She's happy, isn't she?
She's eating over here.
Yep, good. They haven't been out for a couple days. They're probably ready.
Go outside and play.
Good. Okay, girls. Whatever pumpkins you can find, pick them and throw them in the bed.
Okay.
Okay? We're going to clear all this out. Get rid of these vines and all the pumpkins. I'm going to go over here to my big blue one.
No.
There you go.
You don't
Just take the whole vine. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Here, pull. Grab it. Pull. Pull. There you go. Good job.
They're kind of like going out.
Yeah. Get them all. Alright. Let's see what my blue one. It ended up being pretty nice size. We'll keep the seeds from that one. Grow it next year. We've had 2 frosts, so they're pretty much done. Ooh. Ooh, it started rotting.
Can I see you?
See?
Yeah.
Yeah, good thing we came and got it. Boy, I tell you what, this thing is heavy. If you could grow a giant blue one, you'd have something there.
Yeah.
Caitlin get one yet? Huh? Did you?
I can't twist any of them.
You can't twist them. You was helping me the other day. Good job, Kaylee. Kaylee's doing good work. All right, so we did way better than I thought we would. We got a good many pumpkins here. A couple orange ones there, then the big blue one there in the back. I thought we were done the last time Caitlin and I were out here, but we got ourselves half a load here. So that's the end of the pumpkins. I got the vines thrown out on the sides. We're gonna mow all this and then we're gonna come in and till everything and get it all ready for next year. This out here, I'm probably gonna make that soybeans, put nitrogen back in the ground, and then we'll just continue to grow our pumpkins out this way. And we're gonna try to do better with some weed control next year too. So, Mommy should be heading back here soon. We're running out of time this morning before I go to work. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, everybody.
Thanks for watching.